This is Mr. Land with the latest business news headlines from Day Trading Radio and RPM's Trader Spotlight for Thursday, April 21st, 2011. On this, the last trading day of a holiday-shortened earnings week, investors were absorbing last night's earnings news from Apple. Apple did not disappoint, beating by more than $1 and receiving several upgrades today. Apple gained $8.28 to close at $350.69, but finished well off the pre-market high above $360. F5 Networks also reported solid numbers last night and closed at 106.87, up 7.13. Chapato reported better than expected earnings and received several upgrades today, but CMG ended the day at 277.30, down 10.80. The Dow ended the day at 12,505.99, up 52.45. The Nasdaq closed at 2820.16, up 17.65, and the S&P 500 ended the day at 1337.38, up 7.02. Today before the open, GE reported 31 cents versus the 28-cent estimate and raised its dividend. GE finished at $19.95, down 45 cents. Biogen reported better than expected earnings, but the big news was the company's better than expected data for its MS treatment. BIIB gained 13.13 to close at 99.70, but the stock traded as high as 112 in the pre-market. McDonald's beat by a penny, but noted increased commodity costs during the next two quarters. MCD closed at $76.91, down $1.49. Morgan Stanley beat by 12 cents and closed at $26.48, up 44 cents. And Verizon had inline earnings and reported selling out of the iPad 2. VZ ended the day at $36.91, down 88 cents. After the close, AMD reported 8 cents versus the 5-cent estimate with inline revenues. AMD closed the regular session at $8.71 and traded slightly lower after hours. Markets are closed tomorrow for Good Friday. Monday earnings include before the open Alberto Culver, Changeu, Cooper Industries, Johnson Controls, Kimberly-Clark, and Sohu.com. After the close, Express Scripts, Jacobs Engineering, Netflix, Radio Shack, Unisys, and Vico Instruments. Monday's economic data at 10 a.m., new home sales. Those are the latest news headlines from Day Trading Radio. I'm Mr. Land. Have a great night and a great weekend.